Hey Songbird, today I'm giving you 3 incredible exercises to sing in a strong chest voice. Now, in this video, I'm going to keep it short and snappy because I know you're a very busy person. But if you want me to walk you through the extended version of these exercises tailored to male and female voice, just go and check out my 7-day free trial of the Songbird Vocal Academy. You can get access to all of that and also all of my online courses for free. So go and check that out at the end. But right now, let's get into the first exercise. So the first thing that you need to sing in a strong chest voice is gentle vocal fold adduction. So what that means is that you need to start off with getting your vocal folds together, but in a gentle manner. Nothing harsh, nothing that makes you feel like you're straining or pulling, okay? And one of the best ways to do this is with what I call the doggy whimper exercise. So what you need to do is pretend to be like a very cute little puppy dog, and you're going to go okay, I hope you're doing that with me right now. And then you're going to take that awesome puppy dog feeling into an actual exercise. And it goes like this. The second thing that you need to sing with a strong chest voice is greater vocal fold closure. So you see, when you're actually singing in your chest voice, we actually need your vocal folds to really come together. So where in the first exercise, we kind of introduced it to that feeling, letting them, really adduct together, but in a very gentle manner with the mm-ms. Now it's time to take it up a notch, all right, and even introduce a little bit of a glottal attack where your vocal folds really come together quite abruptly, right? And it really just gives that sort of thicker sound, which is what we're looking for when you want to sing in a strong chest voice. The exercise is a uh-oh, right? And you're going to sing it as if you're speaking it like uh-oh, like that. And it goes like this. Uh-oh, 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 oh, oh. Uh-oh, 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 oh, oh. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Uh-oh, oh, oh, uh-oh, 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 oh, oh. Very good. Guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the bell. It's going to mean that you will be notified every time I drop a new video, and also other songbirds just like you can find the video and learn to sing as well. The third thing that you need in order to sing with a strong chest voice is that you need to add chest resonance, but without the strain. So many of us do this, right? Like da 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 da. You know what I mean? Like we're adding chest resonance, but we're actually pulling. Everything is getting really strained. The larynx is hiking up, the tongue's pulling back, the jaw's getting really tense, and it really doesn't sound great, and it feels horrible as well. So we need to be able to add chest resonance without the strain. And one of my favorite exercises to achieve this is with the sobby mom-moms. So this is an exercise where you actually need to pretend like you're sobbing, and it goes like this. Mom, 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 mom. So you see that I'm like literally sobbing this out, like I'm literally weeping. You need to be doing the same thing, okay? So have fun with that one. Now, if you'd like more information, go and check out this video here. There is so much gold in there that you are going to absolutely love. And of course, if you'd like me to walk you through the extended version of the exercises that I covered in today's video, go and check out your 7-day free trial of the Songbird Vocal Academy. I am always believing in you, and I cannot wait to see you inside the Songbird Vocal Academy.